Sales Managers of PAGODA-BUILD Vietnam, and today I visit our factory where we produce Gia Lai Pink. So today I place order here 6 containers, and I will ship in the end of this month. I will ship to Taiwan market. So today our QC visits here, and then he will select color. And for this material we have 2 colors at least. So for my client, when he placed 6 containers, 10 containers, so we promised to him that we will ship 1 color in 1 container. So let's follow me to see our material. This is was 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 slabs we cut from 6 blocks, and QC will choose some slab, the quantity enough 1 container, and then we will cut to size 19 by 16. So for Gia Lai Pink, first of all, when we go to quarry, we request to the quarry that we will get block in 1 layer first. And I know that this is the natural stone, so maybe one layer, but the color should be different. So when we bring block to factory, we will choose 1 cutting direction first, and then we cut 5 blocks, and then after we polish, we select here, and this is 5 strips of each block, and after try, we will choose the color. And for sure that the flower is the same, because we choose only 1 cutting direction, we choose big flower. And sometimes if we have a small gray, small flower, we will recheck and we sell for domestic order. And you can see for 5 strips, we also see 1, 2, 3. This one, the color is the same. Andre, you can see. Close picture. You can see the color is same, and flower also same. But this one, maybe the gray grain is more than this one. So maybe the color may be greater than this one. So I will recheck this slab. And this one is also same here. So in this container, I can choose 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. And because our client, one time he placed 10 or 20 containers, so sometimes we also remark the color in the container. So this piece we shipped before last week, so we marked A1 color, and now we also compare with current strip. If the color is the same, we also remark this container with color A1. And when we ship to his warehouse, if one client he need 2 containers with same color, so my client can see A1, and other container also A1. So he can choose 2 containers with same color and ship to his client. This one different color, so we remark A1 and other A, because A should be same flower, but the color is different, so A1, A2.
So we can make sure that every container will have 1 type, right?
Yes.
A1 or A2.
So we cannot guarantee 1 order, 1 color, but we can guarantee 1 container, 1 color. So I hope that our way to select color to limit the variation of color of this material. And for Taiwan market, to be honest, the standards also high a little bit. So for sure that with high standards, the price would be suitable with his standards. So if you are interested in our material Gia Lai Pink, please follow us, our YouTube channel and Facebook, Instagram. Thank you.